Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Apexel cell phone lens kit. In this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this awesome kit, and I'll also be unboxing it for you. Now, I will give you a heads up for full disclosure. I did actually open this up previously just to take a quick look at what was inside of it, and I absolutely loved it. So I kind of just put it back together, and I want to give you the full unboxing experience. This is what the box looks like. This is what it comes with inside of the box right over here. We'll just turn it around. As you can see, it has a very simple set of instructions and all of the stuff that comes with it. So the instructions are very simple, very straightforward. I'll also be using it to just show you what it looks like when it's mounted on the camera. But basically, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of it. As you can see right here, it comes with a bag right over here where you can place everything inside of the bag. Very useful, and I will be doing this after the video. It also, in addition to the actual lenses, I mean, it comes with a lot. It's amazing. It comes with this right here, which is, let's just take it out of the bag. This is actually a mini tripod. Now, the coolest thing about it is that on this tripod, I have to actually open the bag. Oh no, it's open over here. On this tripod, it actually has the standard mount for a camera. So like I could use this for my camera that I'm using to film this video right now. And I can also use it to mount my cell phone on there with an adapter, right? So I have a separate adapter that allows me to connect my cell phone to this mount right over here. Very simple tripod, really good to use if you want to take sort of professional looking photos. Now, what we also have right here is an actual adapter right here. So you can see this is what you would use. I mean, I have another one that I use, but it came with this right here. So you would mount this onto the thread right here, and then you could obviously place your cell phone in here. As you can see, it expands and contracts just like that. Very useful little setup right over here. Now, what this looks like it is this is a Bluetooth remote, which is awesome. I mean, you can connect this to your phone, and then you can set it up with the tripod, and then you can use your Bluetooth remote to actually start up and take the picture. It's pretty cool. It's just a remote shutter, as you can see right there. Very simple, easy to use. I'm not going to connect it in this video, but I'm sure it's straightforward and simple to connect and use. Now, what we have here, we have a lens cleaning cloth. And then we'll get to the good stuff, which are the actual lenses, right? So we have these mounts over here. These are the mounts that you can use to actually secure the lenses to your phone. Very simple and easy to use. What we will do is we'll go over these lenses. There are 3 lenses. There are actually 4, but there are 3 different lenses, and one sort of has 2 in it. So what we have here is actually a dual lens. Let's bring it closer to the camera. Hopefully the camera will focus in. It says 0.63x wide and also a macro 15x lens. There's a lens cover. Let's just take that off right there. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Now check this out. If you put it on your phone like this, it's going to give you the, I believe the 0.3x wide shot, okay? And then you can actually, check this out. You can actually remove one of the lenses. So check that out. I'm just going to remove one. And then now, when I remove this, I actually get the macro lens. There are 2 lenses in one. Like, it's a really cool little feature. So what I'm going to do now is I will actually just open up my camera. Just going to open up my camera right here off camera. And then, as you can see over here, I now have my camera open. If you take the lens, let's try and get it, and I'll just place it over my camera. You can see, where's my camera? It's right over here. Sorry about that. If I take the lens and I place it over my camera, you can see I now have a wider shot. Let's just go ahead and try and get it nice and centered. As you can see right there, I now have a wider shot. Watch when I remove it. Check that out. As you can see right there, hopefully you can catch this, but it is making it much wider. Just like that. Look at the car mirror over there. Sorry. Look at the car mirror right over there. Check out that car mirror and watch the width of it. Watch how it looks when I put the lens over. There's a car mirror. And boom. Now watch when I take it off. You see how much bigger that car mirror gets? Really, really cool. Now, just for the rest of them, I'm just going to show you without the camera, but as you can see, for instance, for this lens right here, I would take this lens, and I really shouldn't be touching it with my fingers. I'm going to clean it after. I would take this lens, and I could actually tighten it onto this right here. So I could secure it onto this. And then all that I would do is take this, and the lens is on there, and I just clip it on my phone. And then it stays in place. Mount the phone on the tripod, use the remote Bluetooth shutter, and you have an amazing picture. Like, it's literally that simple. right? So what we also have right here, let's take this off right over here. This is the fisheye lens. And what this does is it gives you 198 degrees. You put it on your phone and it gives you a nice wide fisheye view. You know what we're going to do is we'll do this one too. Like I said, I'll open up my camera and I'll show you this one too. So with the fisheye lens, let's actually take it. We'll do this the proper way. I don't want to skip out on this review. Let's do this the real way. We'll take the, let's just get this off. We'll take the fisheye lens and we're going to put it on the mount right over here. So I'm removing that one. Got to clean this up after the video. So I'm taking the fisheye lens, mounting it like this. I have my camera open, as you can see. Watch the camera, watch the view. Check this out. Take the fisheye lens, just get it right over the camera. And you can get it nice and centered, obviously, but we'll just do this quickly. Look at that fisheye. Check that out. How cool is that? Watch as I remove it. Back to regular, just like that. And that's it for the fisheye. And then what we have here is the actual mobile telephone lens, 18 times zoom. So basically, this is like a sort of like a telephoto lens. And I won't demonstrate this because it zooms in a lot, but I did try it off camera and it zooms in a lot. So what happens is you get the zoom of your phone and it doesn't, the zoom of your phone isn't really that great, but you get this, and if you mount it properly, it zooms. Like, look at the size of this thing. As you can see right here, you can adjust it just like that. Very simple, very straightforward. Mount it over your phone and it gets the job done. It's that simple. And that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to do a review of this mobile telephone photo kit. So as you can see right here, it's the Apexel multifunction cell phone lens kit. And I just wanted to do this video review of it for you. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's what it looks like on there. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.